Welcome to Sweet Life Beet Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make green beans in a can. First, take a standard 15-ounce can of green beans and carefully drain all the liquid. Next, rinse the beans under cool running water for about 30 seconds to remove excess sodium. This simple step significantly improves their taste and texture. Now, you are ready to prepare them for cooking. For a quick stovetop method, begin by heating 1 tablespoon of butter or olive oil in a medium skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is melted or the oil is shimmering, add your drained and rinsed green beans to the pan. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are heated through and slightly tender crisp. This method brings out their natural flavor beautifully. To elevate the flavor of your green beans, consider adding some simple seasonings. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder provides a wonderful savory depth. Don't forget a pinch of freshly ground black pepper and salt to taste. For an extra layer of texture and flavor, stir in about 1 tablespoon of crispy fried onions during the last minute of cooking. These small additions make a big difference. Once your green beans are perfectly heated and seasoned, they are ready to be served. Transfer them to a serving dish and enjoy them immediately as a delightful side. For a fresh touch, you can garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or a light squeeze of lemon juice. These simple canned green beans are a versatile and delicious addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.